Konstantin Petru is here from Dubai City of Millionaires, founder of 100K Affiliate Marketing. Welcome to this video. I help busy professionals, entrepreneurs and small business owners and also retirees to create passive income generation system online with proven six-figure strategies which will give them more time and freedom to travel the world and spend more time with their families while their business run on autopilot. In this video I would like to present you 21 things someone should know in order to be successful in affiliate marketing. You probably already know that I was a little bit in Napoleon Hill. I interviewed very successful people, top affiliate marketers, and I asked them this specific question: what led them to success? And they revealed me their secret. And you know, there is no single road to success. Their replies were so different, so I decided to get all of their replies together. Also I add my experience, and I would like to present you these 21 things everyone should know in order to be successful in affiliate marketing. Listen, if these 17 top affiliate marketers I have interviewed, these ladies and gentlemen, have reached their success using these strategies and these techniques, mastering their skills I am going to tell you about, then you also can be successful if you will master these skills, if you will know these strategies and if you will apply them. Here are first 3 of 21 things everyone should know in order to be successful in affiliate marketing. So thing number 1, pick up right product. What is the right product? The right product is the one which converts well, the one which brings you the bigger bag. That means that the price of this product is higher, the one which have a recurrent payment, have high reputation, and the one which is backed up with very reputable affiliate marketer, the one which is relevant to your niche. So you should master your skill of picking up the right product. Item number 2, guys, drive traffic. This is very important skill, one of the main skill of affiliate marketer. You should master your driving traffic skill. There are tons of ways how you can drive the traffic. You should pick up 1, 2 or 3 strategies you would like to go, learn them, apply them, master your skill in them. Take your time to learn this skill, to apply them and to master this skill in order to drive steady traffic to your opt-in pages and to your sales pages. Use combination between free traffic and paid traffic. You really need to master your traffic generation skill. Item number 3, build your list. This is strictly speaking not affiliate marketing issue, but this is a very important issue, and this is about sustainability of your business, about your money in demand, about how you use the leverage. Think of nothing else but building your email list. Consume as much information as you can by every product and every book who tells you how to build your email list. Master that skill. Consume your in full in building your email list, because it's pretty much guaranteed way how to make your money. In my course, How to Make $100,000 a Year Thanks to Affiliate Marketing, you will be told in details how to master all of these 3 skills. So no matter how old are you, who you are, what experience you have or doesn't have, it will show you step by step what to do and how to create your successful affiliate marketing business. So to join my list, please click the link below. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, so like it. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more updates and more in-depth video tutorial about how to crash in affiliate marketing. Also feel free to share this video on your preferred social media platform, and sure, I will look forward for your comments. I remind you that all my subscribers have very generous 5 audio business courses which explain in details how to build your successful online business from the most prominent internet marketers in the world. The great benefits of that is that these courses are absolutely free. Just fill your name and email address in the form over there and you will get immediate access to these courses. Another benefits of these courses that you can listen them while doing other activities like going to gym or driving your car, so you can extend your learning time without sacrificing your personal time and leave your personal time for your loved one, for your family. And Konstantin Petrov was here from Dubai City of Millionaires, founder of 100K Affiliate Marketing. I help busy professional entrepreneurs, small business owners, retirees build a passive income system online with proven six-figure formula strategies to give them more time and freedom, travel the world, spend more time with their families while their business run on autopilot. Take care, join me next video, bye.